Good morning everyone, maing buntag kanyo tanan. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Barangay Carasuchi in Indang, Cavite to feature this beautiful farmhouse for sale. But before we begin, I invite you all to hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell to get you notified for whenever we release new YouTube videos. Message us on Facebook and Instagram by simply clicking the link below on the description box. My name is Ray and let's begin this amazing house tour.
On my wrist, baby, make a wish. You could sell your Rari, but you can't afford my outfit. Versace on my wrist, baby, make a wish. You could sell your Rari, but you can't afford my outfit. Versace on my wrist, baby, make a wish. You could sell your Rari, but you can't afford my outfit. Versace on my wrist, baby, make a wish. You could sell your Rari, but you can't afford my outfit. Go wish. Go wish. Go wish. Go wish.
Thank you so much again for always tuning in our channel. So anyway, we start now this property with a total land area of 6,147 square meters. This property is enclosed with perimeter fence with beautiful frontage of about 50 meters. Concrete. You have linya ng kuryente, may linya ng internet, and of course, this property, it's a 10 to 15 minutes driving away to Tagaytay City proper. So expected that this area is breezy, airy, cold, at nagpa-foggy minsan. So this state is Torrance. The seller is alive and they are selling this property in the market for 60 million pesos. So anyway, this is your driveway and you have here your nice and beautiful, very solid service gate, and you have a pedestrian gate. Pakadaming ornamental plants. You have mahogany tree, you have fruit trees, guys. And you have this spot now which is pwede pang lagyan ng pool. Anyway, this is more than half-hectare property. It's about 6,147 square meters. This is a beautiful house. Napakaganda ng layout, napakaganda ng perspective, at napakaganda ng structural design over this property. Right now, follow me and we will check out the house. Anyways, if you're interested to check out and buy this property, so you can reach us on the number visible on the screen. This is a hot sale property in the market today, right? So this is the house. So over here, you have nice landscape space and you have a covered car garage. So this is your balcony space. So side by side, you have ornamental plants. You have here nice garden spot and large window. Anyways, this is your main door. So this main door is made of solid wooden elements. Right. See? You have here your living space. Hindi kasama yung furnish. So if you are interested, at makita ito ng personal, guys, you can reach us and call us today. Anyway, this is your living spot. Wherein you can put your lounge area. Of course, anything attached to this property seems like this ceiling fan, AC, but anything movable are not included. Fixed items are included, but the movable are not included. So over here, you have your hallway leading to the bedrooms. But before this bedrooms, on the side, you have your formal kitchen space. See? Nice. Over here, you have your double door fridge. And this property is equipped with a lot of CCTV. So you have the monitor right here. So you have 9 CCTVs. Of course, you have a lot of built-in cabinetry. Plus this counter space right here with shelves, built-in cabinet and storage spaces. Plus, you will see also the flooring na ginamit. Napakaganda ng flooring na. This is a 20 by 40. It's a Spanish style finish. Now, over here, this is your cooking space. You have here your oven, storage spaces, and nice counter. So this one is a marble finish. Right, on this side, you have your 4-seaters dining table. But the good thing over this spot is you have the access here, which is your full balcony leading to the ground level. Over here, you have your beautiful family area. See? You have a lot of spaces and napakaganda ng mga shutter dito sa window na ginamit. Of course, you have nice ceiling fan right here with a TV rack. And on this side is your bedrooms. Nice hallway, by the way. So to my right side is the first bedroom, which is your master bedroom. So you have 2 windows with beautiful shutter. Of course, you have fixed AC already. So napakaganda ng flooring dito. This is a matinco tiles finish flooring, so hindi malamig sa paa. Plus, on this side is your full bathroom. So right here, you have your bathroom space with nice window with shutter. Plus, this his in her wash area. Plus, a lot of storage spaces. And over here is your toilet space. So you have exhaust with bidet and a water closet space. And over here is your shower space. So the shower is with heater already. Nice, ang ganda. Napakaganda, napakadami pang fruit-bearing trees dito sa loob, sa property na ito. Alright? Then we will go to the other room. Anyway, so since this is the hallway, over here you have your storage space right here. And since this is the hallway, you have your common bathroom right here. So you have your his in her wash area plus a medicine box right here. Check this out. See? Of course, you have your storage spaces, a water closet, and a shower space with heater, no? And over here is the second bedroom. Nice. See? Anyway, you have here the plugs, the switches, and the outlets. You have LAN already. Plus, you have, every bedroom has a built-in cabinetry. So you have large cabinet. Imagine mo, mataas sa akin. Plus, you have overhead spaces. And this bin-size bed right here. And a nice window right here with beautiful shutter. Of course, this property has e-internet already. See? So, may kasama na siyang internet once you are in the possession of the property. So, you no need to apply for the internet. Adjacent to this, you have additional bedroom with AC already. No, napakaganda ng color combination. It's with a touch of green, white, and dark gray. So you have here the queen size bed with built-in cabinet over here. Lot of storage spaces, overheads, plus this fixed monitor also included. Nice ceiling design and treatment. Anyway, so another over here, another bedroom, but now closed. So you also have a access here which leads to the car garage. So over here you have your built-in cabinet again, a lot of storage spaces and overheads. And right here is your car garage space which is covered, no? At least safe yung sasakyan sa lahat ng mga any elements. Now, back on the house. Let's go, Benji. Right here, again, no, this is your formal kitchen space, nice breakfast nook. You have beautiful placement of your stool right here. Of course, you have beautiful center lights. And over here is your family area, plus an access or staircase leading to the ground level. Nice. Napakalinis ang bahay nila kasi alaga. Over here, another living spot with beautiful placement of their window. Okay, so the first stop here is this family area. To my right side is the fourth bedroom of the house. See, you have nice space right here, so this room can comfortably fit for a California king size bed. Of course, you have a lot of built-in cabinetry, storage space over here, and an access leading to the backyard. And over here, still, since this is a big house, no, you have a lot of plugs and outlets. And right here, another door leading to the storage space. No, ang laki ng storage area. And right here, another bedroom. See? Wow. Talaga namang malalaki ang mga bedrooms. No, hindi tinipid yung bedrooms. So just imagine that the house has the total floor area of 300 square meters. It has 6 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. So you have window over here, a storage space, and a built-in cabinetry. Now, over here, still you have your storage area dito sa ilalim ng hagdanan. See? So you have a lot of storage spaces. Again, no, we're on the ground level, and right here you have your kitchen space. So you have your wash area, your dryer area, or your laundry area, and a spot right here, which is your dirty kitchen space. You have a lot of built-in cabinetry, nice counter space. You have a cooking right here and a range hood over here with beautiful placement of your window. But the most interesting part over this property is you have your fruit-bearing trees and a vegetable space. This is the side elevation of the house. You have here your barbecue area. Nice counter space dito sa labas. And this is covered. Of course, you have a beautiful balcony space over here. And daming mga hagdanan. And right here, you have your Macopa tree. You have your guyabano tree. You have your calamansi. You have your star apple. So, bibilangin nyo lang yung mga halaman. Bibilangin nyo lang yung mga fruit-bearing trees over this property. At mapapansin nyo din, no? Look at the plattings. So, di ba, nakalinya lahat ng mga puno. See? Imagine na talagang pinag-aralan, pinag-isipan itong property na ito. And on this side still, you have a lot of fruit-bearing trees. So, just imagine that the whole property has a total land area of 6,147. So, over here, you have your santol, guyabano, mahogany tree, and nakabakod na yung buong property. And this is the back elevation of the house, no? Look at the facade of this beautiful home. Now, we're done. So we will go over there to give you the recap of this property for sale. Now let's go.
Round and round we go, losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun. All those days trying to find a place where you won't make them just be alone, be alone. All those nights lying by your side, like it's a vibe, feeling it shine under your spotlight.
Right, no? Guys, napakaganda ng property. Anyway, so this property is sitting facing the morning sun or facing east with a total frontage of 50 meters and with a total land area of 6,147 square meters. But before we end, no, thank you so much for our listing agents and brokers for giving us this beautiful property for sale today. So to give you the recap, so this property with a total land area of 6,147 and selling in the market for 60 million pesos. So if you are interested to buy and check out this property, so you can reach us on the number visible on the screen. So again, my name is Ray and I hope to see you in my next video. Maraming salamat po. Daghang salamat. Gracias amigo all over the globe. Thank you very much and God bless everybody.